Hi, this is Katie Payne, CEO of Payne Publishing, and I'm going to show you today how to calculate the difference between two numbers, or as many numbers as you'd like, using Excel pivot tables. So you start with a general database that looks like this, right? You create a pivot table like this, right? You select the date and time. Let's just calculate the difference in months. And let's just use company, and the number that we're using is the number of followers. So this is going to tell us the growth in followers between the various companies. And just to make this a little bit more visible, we're going to change the design a little bit to make it darker so you guys can see everything here. We're going to actually increase the font size a bit again so you guys can see it better. There we go. And so now here we have our client and a bunch of other companies. Now we're going to get rid of the companies that we know don't have any followers at all because they shouldn't be in there. So you take those out using the filter function. And so you now have the 6 months and the count of their followers. This comes in from one of the software platforms like Sprout or Keyhole, and it tells you the number of followers for each month, but it doesn't give you the number of follower growth. So you click your right click on a column, and you say show values as percent difference from. And it's going to give you the option of months. If there were years, they could pick years and dates and other things, but in this case, it's just months. And your base item is previous, so you're going to calculate the difference between the previous month and this month. And you see this. Now, to clean things up again, make it a simple percentage, but you can see that our client had 162% growth between April and May. We're ignoring March because we didn't have any data for that. It dropped 31% in June. It increased 44% in July and went down again in August. So now we can go back to the content and analyze that content as well as other factors to find out why their follower count dropped so substantially. And that's all it takes to calculate the difference between two numbers using Excel. Thank you so much.